Hello and welcome to this video tour of number 8 West Court here in West Drive, Sonning. What we have here is a 2-bedroomed apartment on the ground floor, and it's within probably our most exclusive development of apartments that we have in this area. West Court is located in West Drive in Sonning. There's the entrance to West Drive. Let me just turn around and show you the other direction. So West Drive is a private road. Pretty much every house is going to be valued well in excess of £1 million. Some of them are going to be 2 to 3 million indeed. So this really is an exclusive location. As you can see, it's a gated entrance. So I'm just going to open the gates, and what I'll do is halt the tour for a second out the front, and I will see you inside. I just thought I'd like to show you the parking area for West Court. As you can see, plenty of parking in the area here. We've got an outside building here which is for storage, like a sort of bike store, that sort of thing, and bin store. And as you can see, further parking just to the side there. And if I spin round, more parking off to the right. And to my left, there's the gates where we came through. And the property that we're selling is in the block just here. So this particular property that we're selling is this one here. So as I said, it's the ground floor. Interestingly, it's actually on the end of the block. So apart from above, no sort of immediate neighbours really. This is the French door which leads onto the garden from the lounge. So I'm going to actually take you in from this door. Just gives me a chance to show you a little patio area there. There's the door that takes you in. I think that's a dining room window, and there's also a kitchen window as well behind the bush there. But let's go in and give you the tour. So firstly, this is the lounge. It's a dual aspect room. As you'll notice, this property is empty, it's vacant. There's the view that we've got from these, the window and French doors. It's a lovely view. And that actually is a southerly aspect as well. It's a shame the sun's not shining today. It's a good sized lounge, as you can see, with the focal points. That's actually a mock fireplace surround. Just another angle there. So through the door behind me, this is into an inner hallway with doors to the 2 bedrooms there. The main bedroom has an ensuite. But before I go into the bedrooms, let's just show you through here. We have the dining room, which has a door there through to the kitchen, as you can see, and the window with the view across the lawn. A couple of storage cupboards, one being the airing cupboard just there. And this is the front door which takes you through to the communal hallway. Door there to a bathroom. Let's just show you the kitchen first before we head off towards the bathroom and bedrooms. So this is the kitchen. We've got integrated appliances here. Good work surface space. White high gloss finished units. The integrated appliances start from, on my left hand side here, we've got a built-in fridge freezer, a microwave there with an oven beneath. We have a hob. There is a dishwasher just there, and to my right under the sink we have the washing machine. So that's the kitchen. So we've seen the good sized lounge, this dining room here, and also the kitchen. So we've got 2 bedrooms with an ensuite to the master. I'm just going to show you the bathroom here. So this is the sort of family bathroom, as it were, but in fact it's a shower room. The ensuite actually has a bath in it. So there's the shower cubicle there. The low level WC. And then opposite, there's the wash basin. So that's the sort of family shower room WC. Let's just go through to the master bedroom. So this is a dual aspect room, window to the right there and a window to the left, built-in wardrobe just in front, as you can see there. Plenty of space for double bed to be positioned against the wall there. You can see we've got power points either side of where the bed would sit. And then just spinning round, the ensuite bathroom is here. Bath to the left, as you can see. The wash basin and the low-level WC. Just pointing out, obviously anyone coming to view this property will see, we've got a lot of tape on the windows here. The tape is there because the windows were actually being repainted. Again, I think, being honest, these windows, I think anyone buying this property will probably replace these windows. So that is a cost that would need to be considered. And again, obviously you've seen most of the property so far. I'll show you the second bedroom rather in a moment. But there is a bit of decorating to be done, perhaps new floor coverings. So again, a cost that would need to be considered. But the one thing I would say is that we've priced this property relative, because we have got it on the market at what we think is a slightly lower price, because there's a bit of cosmetic work required. So this is the second bedroom. As you can see, good size. Again, front aspect window there. And if I just step into the room, spin around slightly, you'll see we've also got a built-in wardrobe in this room as well, with a cupboard over. So that just about concludes the tour of the apartment. I'm just going to finish by just pointing out towards the gardens. Certainly one of the big features of West Court. So if you have any questions, please do give the number a call on the website. My name is Gary, do ask for me. Alternatively, if you'd like to take a look inside, same telephone number, and we'll look forward to showing you around. So it just remains me to say thank you for watching.